Hey Steven, what's up? You have problems with phone numbers in Excel? What's happening? Oh, you have a disappearing zero in front of the phone number. Hahaha, I will help you fix that. And you want to have your custom format. Yeah, that's not a problem. I will show you all this plus a few more tricks. So let's go. Let's start with the most annoying one, which is the disappearing zero in front of the phone number. It's so bad that it made me lose my voice, but that's okay. So let's copy paste this here, and if I add a zero, it disappears like magic, but this is very bad magic. So what I can do is come up, add an apostrophe and then a zero. It will transform this into a text, press enter, and you get your number. The problem is, if you want to do it manually one by one, you're gonna spend the whole night in the office. So there is another way, which is a formula way, and I'm gonna show you how it works. Equal double quotation, zero double quotation, and you get the phone number, press enter. Now, if you just drag this, you're gonna get all the phone numbers in one go. Let's go to special. This is something that people don't know much, but it's really useful. So here I have some huge numbers, but actually they are phone numbers from the US. So I'm just gonna go under home. You have here number, this is the arrow. Click on it and you get format cells, special. Let's look for US. So here I can just put English, United States, and this is my phone number. You can see it in the sample. Now this menu with local is a bit tricky. Let's assume that you live in Belgium and you are looking for your phone number. So I'm just gonna look for French, and here you go, this is French Belgium. I click, there is nothing. So what do I do in this case? Instead of crying, I can just go and search for French France. And here, ta-da, you have numéro de téléphone Belgique, and you get it in the sample. So a bit convoluted, but worth 5 minutes of your time to search. Now I'm just gonna go to English again, United States, and put the phone number, press OK, there you go. Let's continue, and here I want to add +1. So those are the US phone numbers, and I'm gonna do it with formula. After that, we're gonna create our custom own format. It's gonna be really cool because you can create whatever you want. So here let's start with the boring part, equal, double quotation +1, double quotation, and select the phone number, press enter. You know the drill, double click, you get everything. Now here I want my custom format, so Ctrl C, Ctrl V, let's go again here under number, custom. This is crazy gibberish, I'm just gonna remove it. And by the way, if you're not familiar with custom formatting, I have a video on this, I advise you to check it out. So we're gonna start and we're gonna check our sample. We will start with +1. So I want +1 in front of all the numbers, double quotation +1. This, you know, we did it in the formula. Next, I want a space, and this 514, I want to put it with parentheses. So here, I'm just gonna add parentheses and then hashes. So hash, hash, hash. You can also put zeros. Again, if you are confused, just check the other lesson. Close parentheses. Then, space, I want to start with the numbers. So hash, 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 and then I want a dash here, and I want to start adding numbers. So 2 numbers here. Let's assume that you want to add dots. So you will put a dot, a number, another dot, and another number. So as you can see, once I add dots, I have a problem. The other ones are okay, the dashes are okay, the parentheses are okay, but here it is thinking about it as a number. So what do I do in this case? I can add a backslash. So as you can see, once you add a backslash and you add a backslash here, you don't have any problem, the dots will come here. Now this is my format, it's very convoluted and tough, but it's okay, you can see it comes here, it works like a charm. Usually people like the parentheses and the dashes, so just add them wherever you need to. The last one is very quick, so stay tuned till the end. I want to start removing the parentheses, the spaces, the dashes, and so on. So a lot of you will try to rewrite the phone number, waste time, try to do custom formatting, but you don't need all this. What you need is Ctrl H after selecting the numbers, and here I can start doing replacements. So for example, this is my parentheses, replace all, Great, that's the other parenthesis. Replace all. We get rid of it. And I'm gonna do the same for the dash. There we go, we have fixed our phone numbers.